Forget everything you think you know about pickup trucks, because the next generation isn't simply about bigger engines, louder exhausts, or more aggressive grills. It's about instant electric torque, intelligent all-wheel drive, extreme technology, luxury, level comfort, and the ability to travel far beyond the city without constantly worrying about charging. And standing right in the middle of that transformation is the BYD Shark 6, a pickup that looks futuristic, a pickup that drives like something completely different, and a pickup that could force some of the biggest names in the truck industry to rethink what comes next. Look at this thing, the black exterior, the enormous front fascia, the razor-sharp LED lighting, the wide body. The muscular fenders, the huge wheels, and that unmistakable BYD badge glowing at the center. This isn't trying to look like yesterday's pickup. It's trying to look like tomorrow's. The design presence without compromise from the very first angle, the Shark 6 commands attention. The front end is tall, wide, and extremely aggressive. Instead of a conventional open grille dominating the nose, the design uses a futuristic closed-off treatment that immediately hints at the electrified technology underneath. A thin LED light signature stretches across the upper front section. Then vertical daytime. Running lights drop down toward the bumper, creating a distinctive lighting pattern. At night, that could become the Shark's signature. The hood is high and muscular, giving the driver that commanding pickup truck position, and the black finish makes the entire truck look even more intimidating. But the real magic happens when you move around to the side. A proper pickup silhouette, the Shark 6 doesn't look like an SUV that happens to have a bed. It looks like a genuine pickup. 4 full-size doors, a substantial cabin, wide wheel arches, large alloy wheels, strong character lines, and a dedicated cargo bed at the rear. Everything about the proportions says utility, but the styling says performance. And that's an unusual combination. The side profile is clean but muscular, while the dark wheels give the truck an almost stealth-like appearance. The lower bodywork adds another layer of aggression, making the Shark look ready for much more than city driving. And then you reach the rear. The rear is just as dramatic. The tailgate features a distinctive full-width lighting signature. The illuminated BYD lettering sits directly in the center. The rear bumper is heavily sculpted, and the entire back end looks wider and more planted than a traditional pickup. It's a design that doesn't disappear into traffic. You see it once and you remember it. But exterior design is only half the story. Because underneath this aggressive body is the technology that makes the Shark truly different. The Hybrid Powertrain, this is where things become seriously interesting. The Shark uses BYD's Hybrid off-road-oriented plug-in hybrid architecture. Instead of relying entirely on a traditional mechanical drivetrain, the system combines a gasoline engine with electric motors and a high-voltage battery. That means the electric motors can provide immediate response, while the combustion engine helps support longer-distance operation. And for a pickup, this makes a lot of sense. Think about what pickup owners actually do. They travel long distances. They carry heavy loads, they tow. They drive through difficult terrain, they go camping, they cross highways. And sometimes they go places where a charging station simply doesn't exist. That's where a plug-in hybrid pickup becomes particularly interesting. You can use electric power around town, then rely on the combustion engine for additional range when the journey gets longer. One truck, 2 different personalities. Electric torque changes everything. Now imagine pressing the accelerator. There's no waiting for the engine to build RPM, no dramatic delay, no traditional transmission trying to find the perfect gear. Electric motors can deliver torque almost instantly. That means the Shark can feel surprisingly quick for something with the size and presence of a pickup. And that's one of the biggest advantages of electrification. You don't necessarily need a massive engine to create massive response. Software and electric motors can completely change the driving experience. The result is a pickup that can feel calm and refined one moment, and seriously aggressive the next. OFF road capability, but the Shark isn't supposed to be a pavement-only luxury truck. Its DMO architecture was designed with off-road driving in mind. Electric motors can independently manage power delivery with incredible precision. That matters when you're climbing loose surfaces, crossing sand, or dealing with slippery terrain. Instead of simply sending power through a traditional mechanical system, intelligent torque management can help distribute power where it's needed. And that could make the Shark particularly interesting for desert driving. Imagine this black truck moving across a huge desert landscape. No city, no traffic, just sand, rocks, and open sky. That is exactly where this design starts to make sense. Now step inside, open the door, and the personality completely changes. Outside, the Shark looks aggressive. Inside, it feels almost like a luxury SUV. The bright white seats immediately grab your attention. Diamond pattern stitching adds a premium appearance. The contrasting brown trim creates warmth, and the black upper dashboard prevents the cabin from feeling too bright. This isn't the traditional pickup interior, filled with hard plastic and basic switches. It feels designed around technology and comfort. The driver gets a digital instrument display. The center of the dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen, and the overall layout gives the cabin a modern, high-tech atmosphere. The rear seats now move into the back. This is where the Shark makes another strong statement. The rear seats aren't treated like an afterthought. There's generous space. Premium upholstery continues throughout the cabin. The center console provides additional storage and controls. And the seats look designed for long distance comfort rather than simply short trips. That's important because modern pickup buyers aren't always construction workers. Many buyers want one vehicle that can do everything. Monday through Friday, it's a daily driver. Saturday, it's a family vehicle. Sunday, it's an adventure machine. And that's exactly the market the Shark is chasing. Technology everywhere. The Shark's cabin is basically a digital command center. Large displays, connected infotainment, advanced vehicle information, smartphone connectivity, multiple charging ports, driver assistance technology, and a layout that feels far more futuristic than the average traditional pickup. The idea is simple. Your truck shouldn't just move you. It should understand how you use it. And as software continues improving, future versions could become even smarter. The bed still has to work, but let's be honest. Luxury doesn't matter if the pickup bed isn't useful. A truck still has to be a truck. The Shark's rear cargo area gives owners space for equipment, luggage, camping gear, sports equipment, and everything else that simply won't fit inside a conventional SUV. And that's the biggest advantage of the pickup format. You get passenger comfort in the cabin without sacrificing open cargo space. The big question, can IT beat the established trucks? This is where things get interesting. The traditional pickup market is dominated by decades of experience. Ford, Chevrolet, GMC, Ram, Toyota. These companies understand truck buyers. They understand towing. They understand durability. They understand what customers expect. BYD is entering the conversation with something completely different. Instead of asking, how do we make a better traditional pickup, BYD is effectively asking, what if we redesign the pickup from the ground up? That's a much bigger challenge and potentially a much bigger opportunity. Final verdict, the 2027 BYD Shark 6, as envisioned here, represents something bigger than one new pickup. It represents a change in philosophy, a future where trucks don't have to choose between performance and efficiency, where luxury doesn't mean sacrificing utility, where electrification doesn't automatically mean giving up long-distance flexibility. and where technology becomes part of the truck's identity instead of simply being added as an option. The Shark 6 doesn't need to look like a Ford. It doesn't need to sound like a Ram. It doesn't need to copy a Toyota. It has its own identity, and that may be its greatest advantage, because the future of the pickup market isn't going to be decided only by horsepower. It will be decided by technology, efficiency, capability, comfort, and value, all in one package. And if BYD can deliver all of that, then the Shark 6 isn't just another pickup. It's a warning to the entire truck industry. This is the 2027 BYD Shark 6, a futuristic pickup, a performance machine, a luxury cabin, an off-road weapon, and potentially one of the most important trucks of the next generation. If you want to see more upcoming cars, SUVs, supercars, and futuristic pickups, make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay with us, because the next automotive revolution has already started.